Oh gosh. Ugh, I don't know why I did that. It smells like straight alcohol. So, I've been to this trail before. I've taken pictures here, but I've never walked in the trail, and this section is very new to me. But I feel like I want to come back. And take some pictures. So, probably gonna do that, but I'm gonna have somebody come with me because it's a little scary out here.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see.
Something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on
the so ugly.
Couldn't tell if you recorded me or not, but I seen the camera go up.
Yeah.
I was like, what you doing?
What are you doing over there?
Setting up my ledger.
Oh yeah. So, hey guys. Basically, right now I'm editing and he's doing his own thing over there. He's setting up his ledger. And I'm not too sure how the rest of the day is gonna go, but Marvin has to pick up something from
my lug nuts.
Yeah, his lug nuts. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys his new tires.
Rims.
Rims.
I guess, because they have a low profile.
Yeah.
It looks pretty dope. I love it.
He's obsessed with his car now.
Not really, but it looks better than hubcaps. Like, I don't even, the rims out of 10, how much I love them is like a 5.5.
Oh, okay.
What?
It's
100% 5.5, but I really think they look better than goddamn hubcaps, you know?
Yeah.
Gives my car a little bit more character. So I'm gonna switch them out again.
Okay.
Like, I need to look for a steal, but
yeah.
It's better than hubcaps. That's how I see it.
They are better than the hubcaps, but I'd give them an 8.
Hell no.
Dang! That's crazy.
Yeah, 5.5.
I'm gonna show you guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then we want to see a movie. So we're debating to do the new Super Mario Kart or
Super Mario Kart.
Is it not?
It's not Super Mario Kart, bro. That's the game. This is just Super Mario.
Oh, Super Mario. Oh yeah. I don't know. I add the cart. Wait, no, because I see them racing in the preview.
It's called Super Mario Kart?
No, I don't think so. I think it's just called Super Mario. But I think that's why I thought about it, because like they were racing. But
because now you got me questioning myself. I don't even know.
But yeah, so we're thinking that or Nope if they still have it in the theaters.
You thinking that? I didn't say I want to see no damn Nope. That's how I was thinking of it.
Why don't you want to see it though?
It's like something I'd buy off of Netflix, bro. Like I'm not gonna go pay money for Nope. Like I'd rather wait for it to come out on Netflix. Or
First
like
of all, none of his
something else.
movies come out on Netflix. All of his movies you have to buy.
He made sure of that too. Black man and their money.
That is okay. Oh my god, that just escalated. Why'd you have to say? Why'd you have to say all that? I don't know. So then I want to go to Hobby Lobby so I can find a new backdrop for
You
my.
saw the old one? They know what the old one looked like.
Yeah, you guys know the old one. Why are you laughing?
It's sad.
It's not sad.
You know what you do with this one?
What?
Have it, but don't put no flowers or no nothing on it. Just get yourself a neon light.
Yeah, no, I want it to be like very elegant, solid background.
Yeah, you know.
But if yeah, I guess solid. What do you think?
What you think? What do you mean what I think?
Like if it should be a solid color?
Solid? What do you mean by solid? You don't want the grass thing anymore?
No.
Oh.
Like I'm changing the whole background.
I thought you were just getting like a different texture of grass.
Oh no.
Like I thought you were gonna get like that leafy one, that plastic one that they had in that one place in Miami, La Playa.
I don't
Something
know.
like that. That's crazy. Okay. I think it's even cooler now because now we actually get the
Design.
yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Where do you think I should put the sticker?
What is that? Oh.
I think I'm gonna put it like right here on the trackpad, like at the bottom.
Yeah, I think that'd be nice.
And make myself a target by anybody that walks in.
Nobody's gonna be seeing it.
I feel like not a lot of people know what a ledger is unless
That
you're really
too.
into that.
Yeah, and then it could just be like the name. Like people think of it, oh, that's a cool name, even though it's like a product.
Yeah.
That makes sense. So I've just finished filming this hair tutorial right here that you guys are looking at. I'm gonna put a link in the description box so you guys can see that video if you're interested. But yeah, I'm gonna get to editing now, so I can hopefully get this up by today. I don't know how realistic that is, but if not, tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hands on my knee, all this big game. Hop off a chick, barely get rich. Cash to the mall, run, I get a check. You selling run on my pants and my jeans. Chanel dress, you look a mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up 100, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you truly blessed. 220, and they clip up like a hoopity dress. This is on me, got my Gucci shirt wet. Them in my bag, gon' get used to the rest. With this school where they teach you for this. I heard this shit's for the drip, I invest. I'm the boss, man, I keep catching the best. All the cool facts when they in with it.
And they're the right ones. Good. Yes!
So ugly.
Yes!
Oh my gosh.
Yes! Alright, look at that. So sexy. And they're heavy too. They're not like them plastic ass aluminum ones.
Why would they
These
have it
actually-
be like plastic? Well,
Like the
maybe
ones I have in my
plastic,
car right now are like aluminum as hell. Like these ones are actually really nice. They're weighted a little bit. Good. That's how a lug nut should actually be.
It'll shed like that.
It's like a dog
That's
or a
pretty
bear.
cool. Yeah. Dang. I don't know. They do like that one.
Hmm?
They kind of do like that white one. How much do you think it's gonna come up to?
I don't remember the last ones. Hey, where you at?
Oh, yes. I don't know. It's more down here.
So you said which one? This one?
Yeah, what do you think?
I like it, but your room is pretty dim too. So I don't know how it's really gonna come up. You know what I'm saying?
With the lights?
Yeah. I was thinking maybe something like that.
This?
No, the white one. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
This one's too.
Looks old fashioned though.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I like this this one for $17.99.
For a yard.
How many? Do you remember how much we got like with the green?
I don't.
the grass?
I'd say like 3 yards though.
3 yards.
'Cause this one's pretty wide.
Yeah, so it's good.
So yeah, like you don't even need to double this one up probably.
So 3 yards. So that means $17.99 times 3. Right?
Pretty much.
You want to get that calculator out?
Let me see if I can do it in my head. 18, that's gonna be 36. Let me see, how wide? I know damn 36.
36.
It is 36, wow. And then 18 times 3. 54.
54.
Yeah.
That's like pushing it. I don't know. Dang it, I was so excited to do this like this weekend because I want to start filming in there. Plus, I already took down half of the green wall already, and I have the hall coming up. What should I do here?
I think 54 for a damn backdrop is crazy.
Where can I get a good backdrop?
Hmm?
Where can I get a good backdrop? Look, they have these over here too. Here, look. Oh, well.
Think of that. That is disgusting. I would never use that red.
These are cool.
Yeah, those are kind of cool.
Looks very rich.
I think it probably went up to like 170, but I don't think it's no more than
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party night on. Just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's someone do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your eyes.
Hey guys, so I'm back home now. Wolf Lake was so nice. I haven't been there in so freaking long, guys. But I love that park. It's just a little far, like, it's a little far to be going there all the time. But let me get my crochet needle real quick. I feel so good though. Like, I took a shower, like, I got some nature. Now I'm just, I don't really have nothing else to do right now at the moment. I'm just kind of getting myself together though, because I might leave the house again. I mean, I'm waiting on Marvin, but yeah, it's better. I was just tightening this lock because it was so like loose and just everywhere. So I'm finally gonna clean my makeup brushes. I've been wanting to do this for a little while, but I didn't have like actual brush cleaner. So it's so much harder to clean your makeup brushes if you don't have like an actual brush cleaner. I was using straight alcohol or like dish detergent, but that doesn't really get the job done. It doesn't really get the job done. So I bought this new makeup brush cleaner, so I'm excited to put it to work, see how good it is. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm just fixing up my hair a bit. I want to style it, I just don't know how to style it right now. And oh my gosh, I just realized I need some more edge control. running low on me. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to have like a nice chill day today, and so far my day's going so far my day's been pretty chill. I went to the gym again today, did leg day. It was honestly not like the best leg day. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, but getting in the gym has been hard lately, so I'm just happy I was in there. And I've really been wanting to go on a juice cleanse, but I don't have a juicer, so I have to get one first, of course, in order to do a juice cleanse, but them things expensive. Okay, now to figure out how I want to style my hair. How you gonna do it if you really don't want to dance? By standing on the wall. Get your back up off the wall, shawty. I freaking love this. This smells so good. Just adding that extra. Even this brush needs to be cleaned. I've been using this to take my makeup off, and now it's all dirty. So we're gonna clean that. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys my brushes. It's a shame. They've been needing a cleaning for a long time. So this is the baby we're gonna be using today. Cinema Secrets. I'm excited. It comes with a little cleansing tin. So this thing right here. Oh, so you don't sit it in and just clean it? I thought this was like a thing where you you put the brush in and then like swash it in there. I think you're just supposed to dip it and then use a tissue to rub it off. No! Oh gosh. Ugh, I don't know why I did that. It smells like straight alcohol. Put that in there, put that in there, put that in there. Put it in there. Let's start off with my foundation brush. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys my brushes. Look at this. Look at this. These need to get clean. Okay, I also need more brushes because that's all I have. Well, I mean, it's working like a charm. Can't lie about that. But that thing's dirty, dirty. Just keep on coming. So I want to show you guys this cleaning product that I bought the other day, and it smells so freaking good. Like, if you use anything, use this. Okay, so I kind of want to try this foundation on camera, the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. The smell is god awful, but I really want to try it. I want to see if it gives any type of coverage. First of all, I'm hoping the color alone is correct. It does oxidize, so it looks like this now, but it's not going to change. I mean, it's going to change color. I don't know how to apply it. I'm thinking of doing it with my hands. Maybe because I just clean my brushes and I don't want to dirty it again. But I also feel like if I do it with the brush, it's going to take up all the product. So... Okay. Add a little more. With it, without. Not gonna lie, I actually really like it. It's perfect for like everyday. Now, if you have oily skin, this is not the foundation for you because this feels very oily. I don't know if it's gonna dry down, but I don't think it is. Now, as far as coverage, it obviously doesn't have any. It does, but it's like very, very, very light. Like, and that's my Fenty lip gloss in the shade Hot Chocolate. And now I'm about to use the new Fenty mascara. I'm just gonna do it a little light, just to give my eyelashes some color, make them pop a little bit. I feel like this is a good everyday look. Quick and easy.